Hello guys, we're back again. We're back with playing boss fighting simulator. Hold on. Yes, we're back. And I did a bit of a upgrade. Okay, ranked up. I'm warrior. I only have 21k now. You can see the particles. But today, I told you guys in the part 1 we're gonna make another video until we did, and we're gonna play a same game. So what do you guys want me? I'm gonna go try to get the max sword and be just strong and trade and never. I'm not gonna rank up. I'm trying to get better pets. Right now these are my current pets. They're all trash yet. Still trash. I've been grinding off screen. No, never mind. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Oh, I'm silly. Alright. That's the creepiest thing I ever seen. 8 billion! I'm so rich. The problem is, I'm doing. Why am I doing here? So what, guys? What stream do you want? Hold on, I'm trying to make it better for you guys to view. There we go. Can you guys see now? Oh, it's about to fall. I can't. There we go. Sorry guys, I had to put my camera a bit better. I'll try to get the max sword if I can. Might not. Wish me luck. I play on mouse this day, but I play on this kind of keyboard. I will make a bit of streams. Comment down below in the page, and also please subscribe. Subscribe for good luck in Roblox. And please comment in this video with what video should I make of in Roblox. You can tell me on this video. Comment down below, and I'll make that's for the next video. We're gonna do a lot of pages. Oh, I'm poor. Oh no, this sucks. Alright, you gotta run. See how good I am. 91. Okay, I gotta move it farther. Oh, too far. You guys want to see my camera? Like, there we go. You can see a bit of my corner. Okay. I'm gonna have to get on like. All right. Oh, sorry. Oh. I'm making tons of videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my avatar, you can. My name is xxx_lie. You guys want to follow me? You guys want to play with me? Be with streams? You can if you're lucky, if you're subscribed. Leave a like down below. And also with my friends. And also go subscribe to Padlock Gaming. He's been so helpful, helping me out, make with me videos. Just subscribe to him. He makes good videos also. You should definitely subscribe to my friend to make his day better. Holy, look at me. Go down, buzz. Alright. Hey guys, and also be careful out there, or get somebody to come out. If you're going outside, get somebody to get out. Hold on, my battery's low. I'm gonna have to charge my phone soon. I'll try and get max sword. I am rich. Or you guys want me to plug it while I'm using it? I can't do that. I can. Okay, we're going upstairs. I'm gonna go up. Sorry, guys. Just have to move up. Oh, my dad's gone. Perfect. You're going upstairs. Don't worry. I'm still not ending the stream. Oh, I don't have. You might be wondering why I'm not in class. Because I don't have school. And today's not a day for school. Today's not a day for school. You can tell. You guys want me to? Oh, I forgot my. Hold on. Turn on my mouse. Okay. If you guys can't see the screen, I'm sorry. This is my first stream. I'm getting things prepared. Oh, I might be making Fortnite videos, might not. Because I'm getting a PlayStation soon. And for all of and also shout out to Padlock Gaming also, because he's my friend, and he's been helping me making out videos. We don't live with each other, we're not like brothers, but shout out to him. Shout out to Ryan. Never mind, no, I forgot, I lost his name. Oh, shout out to Padlock Gaming. He's been really helpful. I'd be rather be with and listen. He's been so helpful since the day we first met. He's been so helpful. I just want to make him feel better. So shout out to him. Oh God, I died. I can't see my sword. No, I lost my sword. I haven't been fighting bosses yet at all. Oh no. So, we got a 200 money. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get the max sword because that's my. You can see, I have not good pets. Oh no, that's gonna be too bad. I won't do a face reveal soon. No, I will do a face reveal soon. But if you can't guys be and stay safe because the stuff is happening about like the corona and stuff. So stay safe and please don't go anywhere you require a mask also. So don't go anywhere unless you have a mask. And please stay safe though. And anyways, back to the video. Alright, here. I am so I'm poor now. Are you guys want me to ready, guys? Oh, my computer's so low charged. Anyways, who cares? It still takes a long time to recharge. Ching 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 ching. Gonna be about like 15 minutes long. How long is that? How long I can get max sword? Ooh, my computer got low battery. It's bad. I'll be right back, guys. I'll get my computer back charger. I'll get my computer charger. Be right back. I'm back, guys. Might be wondering where did I went. I went downstairs to get my computer charger. Don't worry. I'll play whatever games you like, guys. You comment down below in my vids. I'll make a vid of it. And also, if you want to play with me, you can. Username xxx_lie. Make a username and then go friend me. But if you don't, that's okay. Pretty much. Hold on, let me check who's coming down. Be right back, guys. Here's Mom. Hold on. You can hear her. I'm stream live. I stream now. And I won't get a message. I won't receive nothing because I'm making a vid. My mom said, so if you youngies want to make a vid like I am, you gotta be careful and lock their doors because there's some robbers out there and they're gonna rob you. So I recommend be careful and stuff. This is 12 minutes. This is gonna be a long video. Also you guys want me to, I already know you guys. Hold on, I'm gonna check on my mom if my dad's there. I don't know if my dad was with my mom. I'm back. Let's make a bit better. We're gonna get ooh, close now. 250. I'm poor now. Oh, wait, is this Doom or a sharp? Guys, can you tell me if this sharp or not? Because it says it's sharp. This is how you want to dance. This is how you dance. And I got no more. I got it off screen. You can see. And all of these people are randoms. I don't know them. Wait, who is that? Mine's coming out. Oh no. I haven't fighting no bosses. You guys want to get? Oh my god, I'm so laggy. Oh my god, we got 11 drill. We got 11 drill. This is for, oh my god. Oh, I'm getting laggier. I'm gonna E. Dude, I'm too poor. I don't know what's up. I'll make another stream about Bunny soon. And a stream soon about trains. Whoa. Oh my god. A scythe. We're gonna be Grim Reaper. Or you guys want? I think this is after this is nut chugs. No, I need a lot bit more. I don't think after this is nut chugs. I don't know who's coming out of the door. I'm starting to laggy a lot. And also, my mom subscribed to me. I am 4, no I'm poor. Bam. I am 4, no I'm poor. It rhymes. Oh my god, who's moving me? I'm getting lagged out. 550. I've been playing this game since almost a whole 4 months, 5 months. And my friends, if you also want to add my friend, if you also want to add, what is his name? Padlock Gaming. His username is Savage Cool Kid. Search up Savage Cool Kid. Hold on, I'll show you guys. The name is Shadow Cool Kid. Where is it? It's been really helpful. Right here. Savage Cool Kid. Savage Cool Kid 25 27 70. Okay? So if you want to go at him, you can. He's my best friend. Or you guys might be wondering when did we guys meet? We met in kindergarten. It's like a long time ago. But now we're kids. Now we're good, big kids. And stuff. Oh wow! A lot of people are so good, but compared to me, I'm trash. Yeah, I can't double jump. That's the problem. I need that jump power. I have the power to die. Yeah. It's gonna be so hard. Where there is no. Oh my god. Oh. His name is Savage Cool Kid 25 2070. I really recommend you subscribing to him and make his dead way better. And also, he's a kid compared to me, just like me. Might have some friends also. And we showed some roleplay of Among Us also. I 100% go recommend you shout out. Give him a shout out. Give him like his vid and subscribe to him. He'll give you guys a shout out, and he's gonna give me also a shout out because I'm giving him a shout out. I don't know what's his name. This guy really wants to test. Oh, oof. Oh, guys, also, I am so laggy. I ain't gonna become 4, but I'm gonna become 4 soon. You might be wondering, am I gonna stream with friends? Yes, I will. I will stream with friends. But today is not the day to stream with friends. Right now we don't got school. That's the only way we talk. So we're a stream. Whoa, we got so strong. Interesting. Wait, guys, I'm gonna rejoin. Don't get mad. Wondering who I'm chatting to? I'm chatting to my friend, 14 Brian. Username. Recommend it. Did 21 whole minutes. I've been trying my hardest. Best. Do a lot to get subscribers, so please subscribe. I'm back, guys. I've been loading so long. I'm close to done. Don't worry. Being patient. My computer's so slow sometimes when I'm so or that I'm tired of the internet. Guys, I just need to check. Whoa, I hear punching. Very interesting. Well, guys, I'm ending the stream here. I'm going on AFK. No, I'll make a new stream like immediately now, like a couple of minutes or 1 hour. Stream, so go ahead me quick. My username is xxx_live. Shout out to Savage Cool Kid 2070, and go subscribe to us to Padlock Gaming. We see y'all in the next one. I see y'all in a couple of minutes. Bye bye.